thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the world means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, getting to know what's real from what is not. What I've got, it's more than I never hoped for. A lot of what I hope for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you. Wala na ako sa tono. Happy birthday, Papa. Love you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you, thanks to you for teaching me how to live, putting things in perspective, teaching me how to give and how to take. No mistake, we were put here together. And if I break down, forgive me, but it's true that I'm aching with the love I feel inside. Thanks to you. Sensya na po, umiyak ako. Drama eh. Anyway, Papa, happy birthday. Alam ko, masaya ka ngayon kasi kasama mo si na Mama dyan. Kami lang ni Totong wala. Nalulungkot din syempre ka. So, pasensya na po kayo kasi late yung sa akin. Birthday na lang niyo ulit pagdating. Basta enjoy na lang kayo na alagaan niyo yung sarili niyo. Ingat kayo tatlo dyan. And happy birthday. I love you. Mwah.